Chris.
And I'm Cynthia.
And we're the Hanyon family.
So we're going to do another request for you guys today. This time I chose Be Bop Deluxe. This song was suggested in 1960 and Glen Plant. The song is Sister Seagull.
Sister Seagull. Yeah, we've been really enjoying this band because they're just really good.
We've only done what?
One song.
Yeah, just the one song.
That one song.
But it blew us away. So
yeah. Jeez,
it was Axe
Victim.
Axe Victim.
Yes.
That's it.
A tremendous song. Tremendous song.
Yes.
So we want to hear more, for sure.
Absolutely.
So here we are. This is Be Bop Deluxe. Sister Seagull.
Sister Seagull, oh, you're flying me too high. Feel so dizzy underneath your open skies. And it's strange the games we play to hide the crime. Sister Seagull, you're the reason I survive. A prisoner who has thrown away the key. My soul has vanished with a bird who flies so free. And wings of change have spread themselves over me. Sister Seagull, you're the reason I survive. Of the air to open. Will you meet me there by the golden stairway to the clouds? To the clouds.
This is so good.
I know. Not only is the guitar phenomenal, as usual, but the drumming, they're just, wow. Okay.
Yeah. This band is fantastic.
Yeah.
And the vocal is so cool.
It's
I
very
love
nice.
that vocal. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, this is a really good band. This is really good music.
Yeah. I like everything about this. I'm not sure what it means.
Yeah.
Like what the song's about right now, because I'm just lost in the music.
I know, me too.
It's just so good.
I'm just listening to the guitar going and the drums going. And I haven't gotten to the bass yet, but I'm getting there. Just tremendous. Really good.
Yeah.
Let's continue.
That's cool how it sounded like little lasers at the end almost.
I think they were trying to do Seagull sound.
Yeah, it was kind of cool though.
Mine.
They're really good at that actually. I mean, that was cool.
That was really cool. It was quite well done.
Yeah.
And oh my gosh, what a great band.
They're really, really good. It reminds me, like, they're at the same level of things like Black Sabbath, I think.
Oh, for sure.
And Pink Floyd and people like that, like the crazy big.
I don't know if they're as well. Maybe they're as progressive.
We don't know because we've only listened to this
we know
one
two
and one
songs.
other.
We know 2 songs. So I noticed there were transitions in this, and they went different speeds and stuff. It was really interesting.
Yeah, it was really
a good
cool.
band. I'm quite impressed. I hear the Futurama is a really good album, so we may go through the entire thing one day.
Yeah, at some point, sure.
Yeah.
This is a really great band, so I'm really happy we did this one again.
All right.
Thank you very much for the suggestion. It was very much appreciated.
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget to check us out over on our Patreon page. It's $3 a month, and we're adding stuff all the time. Like and subscribe to the channel. Share with your family and friends. Click that notification bell if you don't want to miss a video. And don't forget to enjoy yourself. Later.
Later.